FEMA has issued a lice warning. This type of lice is a very powerful species of lice that spreads and breeds very quickly and causes sickness. This is called lice fever. Symptoms are nausea, vomiting, coughing, sneezing, extreme hunger, extreme thirst, being irritable, sweating, pale face, diarrhea, chills, and swollen throat. It causes death within 2 weeks. Nobody has found a cure yet. We just got an announcement that the lice fever has been upgraded from a sickness to a disease. It also may spread to Manitoba, Newfoundland, Labrador region, Nova Scotia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Illinois, Indiana, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Michigan, Iowa, Wisconsin, Kentucky, and Minnesota. The ways to catch the disease is being near filthy environments, trash, hair, fur, and crowded public places. Shaving your head won't get rid of the lice because they multiply quickly and go inside your body and go into organs and flesh. They will eventually eat away important organs and kill you within 2 weeks. 911 calls are currently suspended in United States and Eastern Canada due to an overwhelming amount of calls. The ways to prevent from catching it is staying away from the infected. Avoid public crowded areas, keep insects and wild animals away from your property, keeping your property area clean and neat, spray bug spray, put on tight or thick clothing, and stay indoors. Make sure you keep medications, foods, and beverages in your home because you are advised to stay in certain areas such as homes and businesses until further notice from television announcements. Stay tuned onto this channel for further announcements. This message is transmitted into all TV stations in Taunton, Massachusetts through Xfinity, FiOS, Dish, DirecTV, and online services and electronic devices. All airports in the United States and Toronto has just recently closed because just now we got an announcement that an infected man flew to Hong Kong and infected 255 people. Stay tuned for more info.